Wow.
Hey guys, Paul the Bitch here, and today we're going to show you how to do a DIY fidget spinner slime fidget spinner. As you can see, we got fidget spinner slime. Okay, let's get right into it.
Come on. All right, here's the slime. Wow! It's full of slime! Now there's even more slime, Dad! Oh.
Let's see this fidget spinner shenanigans! I quit! Fidget.
But Christian,
No.
there's so many fidget spinners videos to make.
No.
Fidget spinners are so much fun, Christian. Fidget spinners are so much fun, right, Andrew?
Right. Is it my turn?
Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh yeah. All right, kids. Now let's add some beef boozled. This is my Bean Boozled! This is my Bean Boozled!
That's mine.
Let's try it! Mmm! So good! Alright, kids. Now remember the most important part of this whole thing. It's cleanup time! What's the cleanup time song, Andrew?
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. Clean up, everybody, everywhere.
Eat the Bean Boozled! I don't want it! Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You put all the Bean Boozled in the bucket, and then you throw the bucket away. And that's how you clean up. Where is it now, Roy, Andrew? Give me back the slime. There, you put in all the slime. You put in the slime, you put it in the bucket, you're done.
No.
You're done, son. Because if it's food,
That goes in the mouth.